What's the RIUGOR RG-192 new energy main reducer being assembled on an intelligent automated line, every bolt and gear fitted with micron-level accuracy. Key technical specs. Input torque 175牛 Vehicle load 2.5 T Axle load 1.5 T Ideal for urban delivery and last-mile logistics. Automated assembly. Consistent quality. Robots and AGVs work together to ensure high precision, repeatability, and reliability for every RG-192 unit. RIUGOR Drive, green mobility forward, empowering new energy commercial vehicles with efficient, durable, and clean powertrain solutions.